In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change signature on Outlook Office 365. Let's walk through the process together so your emails look polished and consistent every time you hit send. First, open Outlook and click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. This is your control center for how Outlook looks and behaves. Next, go to Accounts, then choose Signatures. Depending on your version, you might see the wording vary slightly, but it will be within the Accounts area of Settings. The Signatures page lists everything you've created so far, and is where you manage and update them. If your organization enforces a company-wide signature, some options may be limited. In that case, follow your admin's guidelines. If you have more than one email account added to Outlook, make sure you select the account you want to update from the drop-down. This ensures the right signature is tied to the right mailbox and prevents surprises when you compose messages from different addresses. Now edit your signature. Select the signature you want to change to open it in the editor. Inside the editing box, update the text, adjust fonts and colors, add hyperlinks, and insert images, such as a logo. Aim for a clean, professional layout, readable fonts, clear spacing, and only the details that matter. Keep images small to reduce load times, and, when possible, use hosted images so they display more reliably for recipients. Add descriptive alt text so screen readers can interpret your visuals. If you include social icons, make sure they point to official pages and that each link is correct. Concise, consistent formatting helps your signature look great across different devices and email clients. Below the editor, set your defaults. Choose whether this signature should automatically appear on new messages, on replies and forwards, or both. Many people prefer a more complete signature for new emails, and a shorter version for replies to keep conversations compact. If you've created multiple signatures, you can assign different defaults for each scenario to match your communication style. When you are satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. Your updates take effect immediately the next time you compose a new email or reply to a message. Outlook will insert the signature based on the defaults you set. You can still switch or remove a signature while composing, but saving here ensures the right one appears automatically, so you don't have to think about it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.